will be time. So, meron tayo itong rice. Mag-awa grab that rice sa ating microwave. Charan! Napakadami ko ng rice. Naku, parang last supper ko na isa. And of course, ayan lang natin siya nakulo like in 2 minutes at pwede na tayo kumain. So, well, I think I'm hungry. So, we're gonna try and eat. Ito na, titikman ko na siya. It's really good. At napakasarap ng ating adobong adijas na may baboy. Ang sarap. Alam mo ba, tamang-tama lang yung panglasa niya. Tamang-tama lang yung kanyang sabaw. Yes. Pag gusto mo medyo maalat pang konti, lagyan pa natin ng konting magic syrup. Yes. Lagyan pa natin ng konting toyo. Para sa akin, it's okay na. And, yes. I-mix na natin at pwede na tayong kumain. Magong kaibigan. Alright. So, get in here. Yes. At saka yung konting baboy. And then, I wanna show the love tonight. Look at that. Kanyama na. Okay, amoy palang ulam na. Yes, ang ating Adidas Kapampangan version. Siyempre, manggamat ka ta. Just ko ating kabarabag na. Sige, sira ng diet ba? Well, okay, we're gonna try it. At kakain na po sa iyo. Kaya naman nakalagpuran dahil ating katangkay, yung katanasi. Yes, ayun tikman ka na kaya katang Adidas. Kanyama na. Mga Japper Cards. Yes, market day pala. So, mag-ready ko. Ating kumbabi pala. So, I'm cooking about to cook some like a chicken kit. By the way, bakit yung chicken kit is very rich in collagen. So, magsarado na lang kasi alasing po natin. Merto kong nigising. Alit tarig-tarig lang seafood. Ay, kaya nga masanap durot na ka ba? At saka sa ito. Alit mo sa balik na ako sa takpal. So, ayun maganda yung gulay. So, medyo katanga po na ilibot na ka pang bagyan. At saka alam mga arena-arena yung seafood kayo in Korea. And of course, the fish because right in here in Korea is mga palibot yan. Dagat yan, 75% mountain and 25% low. Wow, mo rin bro. Wow, kanyang dalang sa amin. Mga Japper Cards, training mo rin. Mahilig ka kayong kimchi. Kasi kaya naging Korea, in kimchi is the best. Kaya may nabat yung authentic kimchi. So look at that. It's a beautiful food. It is amazing. And of course, this one is a milk. Right in here, all kind of kimchi, authentic like kimchi. And right in here, they have some veggie too. Wow, so good. So look at that. It was amazing. So it's almost like a pie. So they're almost close. And it was raining soon. And right in here, I show you around the seafood. Oh, the crouch right on the line of the palm tree. Look at that. Wow, it was amazing. So right in here, and I tell you and I show you around. Yeah, they have some bread, and of course they rich in farm. They rich on a veggie. So that's all mga tubers I'm gonna go by. Inikot lang kita mahal kong kaibigan. So meron pa in here yung may lang yung mga ginseng nila in here. Because alam mo naman, ang ginseng is the best. Like the herbal medicine in Korea. So right in here, meron sila mga seafood. So, balik na ako doon. Yes, bibili nga pala ako ng takpal. Yung tinatawag ng takpal is, there's a Korean word they call it chicken feet. So, bibili ako ng takpal and of course, I'm gonna cook sa ating bahay. Yes, kumusta nga na pala bilang sa Javi. Wow, we always inspired, never expired. Yes, alam po natin mga Javi. Ating mga anti-fast and sexy. So, hindi ko naman ang inyong lingkod. Nagawa na naman ng content. Because the green is really good. And the weather is so nice. And it was not so cold. It's a little bit cool. Kaya naka-short tayo. Tapos lang natin mag-gym. So, ito. Malapit na ako dun sa bilihan ng takpal. Ewan ko ba, nag-gravy ako. So, mag-adobo ko. At imimix ko siya ng baboy. So, let's go and buy dun sa paborito ko. Kasi, mura lang eh. Like a 7,000 won, it's almost like even $5 yung 1 kilo. So, let's check it out in here. Ito na. Ewan ko kung meron sa'yo ng takpan. Ano nga sa'yo? 1 kilo, yo? Siyempre, bibili muna ako. So, right in here. So, we're gonna go on. Siyempre, masarap dito. Like adobo. Masarap. And of course, I'll put like a pork. So, I'm gonna go and pay. And then this one. Para mag-uuli na tayo. Look at that. Hapon na, pero meron pa rin yung mga nangyayari. Right in there. So, wait ko lang ang sukle. Right in there. This one, like the meat shop. Well, mga Jawar and of course, welcome to my humble house. It's small but terrible. It's a full of love and it's a full of joy and it's a full of happiness nang dahil sa inyo. Andito naman ako sa iyong harapan. Ipagluluto ko kayo ng Philippine food and of course, eto, I bought this sa tao. They call this sa Tagalog is paanang manok. Adidas sa Kapampangan. So this all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna boil it first. At mapapagod siya. Make it tender. And guess what? Mga Javricans, and I like to put the baboy. So chicken feet and pork adobo Kapampangan version. Yes, alright. I'm gonna put in here. Siyempre, ibabalawan ko muna siya. Yes, dito ko lang siya babalawan sa kawali. Siyempre, lulutuin na natin lahat yan. So I bought this almost like 7,000 won. And of course, 7,000 won nga. 7,000 won, not even like a $5. Yes, kumusta ka? Bilang jawan sa lahat mga breadwinner. Eto, yes, may gravy ng paanong manok. Hugasan ko muna siya. Ang gana gawin is thoroughly, yes. Sasyapuin natin, in conditioner. Wala tayong bathtub. Actually, I wanna put in the bathtub, you know. It's alright. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it boil like really tender. Yes, and we're gonna keep it in there. So right now, yes. Eto, meron kasi akong pork. And of course, the menu for today, and nakalimutan ko pala ito. Meron siya to Savon, what's available is right in there in North. So, in North Carolina, am I right? Okay. And of course, this one is a pork. The pork is pork meat. And I'm gonna cut this into the small pieces. Yes, small pieces, di ba? Hindi lang tayo pang chef-chefan, di ba? Hindi lang tayo pang host, di ba? Parang pwede din tayo maging host galing sa Bridgetown. Yes, we're gonna cut this post into small pieces. And actually, pag nag-adobo ako is onion lang. Onion, and of course, you can put garlic. Yes, you put the garlic and kasama ang toyo. And meron tayo suka. Yes, kumusta ka? Well, I'm fine. Sometimes, when we chat, the honesty is too much. Tuwing gas of home, o jo kaluguran dakal sobra-sobra, misara na rin mata. Ay, at saka ta kenting, kitchen magluto ka pa. Ito, I'm gonna put the pork. I would like to, because pork, if you put the pork and chicken pit nga lang siya. But I don't know, sometimes I'm craving like a Filipino food. And I'm gonna make it really, really tender. Yes, I think I'm gonna put this one too, but I'm gonna make it wash. I don't just like it hot, okay? And then we're gonna put in here para lumambot muna siya. And I got onion. And I don't have garlic actually. I bought only one onion. Tipid-tipid, tama na yan. Dagdagan ko siya because this one almost like a kilo. The chicken feet, yes, pressed from the market. Yes, right in here. So easy lang. Meron tayong toyo. Siyempre hindi mawawala pag wala tayong magic sarap. Alright, right in here ang aking magic sarap. Pag wala kang magic, wala kang sarap. Saan ka pa? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook maybe like a 10 minutes. I want really tender. So stand by, mahal kong kaibigan. I love you. Well, mga Jabber Gods. So igigisa ko na siya. So I'm gonna go in the second part. So this one I think it's almost like it's really tender. So this all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the oil. I don't have oil but anyway, but it's alright because yung meat ng baboy is meron siyang taba. So yun ang gagawin kong taba. Well, mga Jabber Gods, Kapampangan version ng ating adobo for today. Yes, magtipid ko na. Alam ko kasing taba, but it's alright. Because you know, the meat of the pork, they have some grease, so hindi ko na bibigyan ng mantika. But actually, gigisa ko sa sarili niyang mantika. Well, alright. It's really good. Yes, and of course, I make it like a high fire. At ayan lang natin siyang igisa. And of course, I use this one. Oyster sauce. Toyo. Suka. S-U-K-A. Suka. Vinegar in English. Yes. At hindi mawawala ang ating magic syrup. And so, later on, lalagyan ko sa isang bell pepper. Kahit lalagyan ko na ng pepper. But it's alright. Okay, right now is, I'm gonna put this onion. And I don't have garlic, but it's okay. Ayaw mo na. Tipid-tipid na lang. Parang-paraan na lang. Pag nagluto ka. Ganun lang ka-easy. Like simple hot pot cooking because we are breadwinners sometimes. Naubusan din tayo ng pera. Hindi ka ba naubusan ng pera? Uy, bigyan mo naman ako. And the same time is papainit ko na rin yung aking kanin. Yes, because natumba. Because we are Asian, we love rice. Actually, I cook the rice like a couple days ago and I put in the plate. Alright? And then we're gonna put the pao, what you call it, the chicken feet, ang ating menu for today. Yes, talaga. Marami-rami ito eh. Yes, alright, marami-rami siya. But I'm gonna go, it's okay. I'm gonna put back in here. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna put back in there kasi ginisa ko lang sa mga Jabber Gods eh. Pwede nyo siya hindi siya igisa. Alright. Okay, I make it like hot fire. And of course, I'm gonna show you the love tonight. I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put ang ating, okay, soy sauce. Alright. And then, I put lang natin siyang kumulo like in a little bit time. So, meron tayo itong rice. I wanna grab that rice sa ating microwave. Charan! Napakadami ko ng rice. Naku, parang last supper ko na rice. And of course, ayan lang natin siya ng kumulo like in the 2 minutes at pwede na tayo kumain. So, well, I think I'm hungry. So, we're gonna try and eat. Ito na, titikman ko na siya. It's really good. At napakasarap ng ating adobong adijas na may baboy. Ang sarap. Alam mo ba, tamang-tama lang yung panglasa niya. Tamang-tama lang yung kanyang sabaw. Yes. But kung gusto mo medyo maalat pang konti, lagyan pa natin ng konting magic syrup. Yes. Lagyan pa natin ng konting toyo. Para sa akin, it's okay na. And, yes. I-mix na natin at pwede na tayong kumain. Mga kong kaibigan. Alright. So, in here. Yes. At saka yung konting baboy. And then, I wanna show the love tonight. Look at that. Kanyaman na. Okay, amoy palang ulam na. Yes, ang ating Adidas Kapampangan version. Siyempre, manggamat ka ta. Yes, ko ating kabarabag na. Sige, sira ng diet ka. Well, okay, we're gonna try it. At kakain na po sa iyo. Kanyaman na kalaburan eh. Dahil ating katangkay, yung katanasi. Yes, ayun eh. Tikman ta na kaya katang Adidas. Kanyaman na. Lalo natin yan dito kanasin eh. Ito yan nasi kalikuran. Arong bubukay na pa. Pumalang kayong bagya. It was so yummy. And of course the pork, it was so Tender. Tamang-tama ito. May kanin ka. Sarap. Ang sarap. Well, thank you po so much, Joy. Kung enjoy na to share my story, siyempre. Saka salamat kaya ka. Si Queen Angel, hindi lang Bomba Queen. Hindi lang Bomba King. Siyempre, hindi lang Star Margaret. Ang chef. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And subscribe, comment, lang.